So the third trap, don't believe your depression lies. Whatever it's saying here. So depression compromises our mind from reliable thinking. I know this firsthand. So feeling worthless or being in constant self-doubt or believing that nothing will change, that's the depression talking. And these negative thoughts keep you stuck in your head and stopping you from taking action. It can be paralyzing. So give the mind a break, get out of here, of the head, and get into your body. That's how you can outsmart depression. So being in your body gives you headspace, and it gives you more awareness of your feelings. And feelings are feedback. So this allows you to do reality check and examine your beliefs and seek other perspective. So to outsmart depression, you need your body to take the lead.